I'm Gail Crawford of Chestnut Park Real Estate. Today, our featured property is 586113 Sideroad 10B in the municipality of the Grey Highlands. This picture-perfect setting is only surpassed by the main house. With 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, it has undergone a complete Porter Skelton renovation. From the top-of-the-line kitchen to the floors and windows, the stone fireplace, and the Zumba heating system, just about everything is new again. Come on inside and we'll take a look. The main living space has towering floor-to-ceiling windows, flooding the rooms with natural light. The vaulted ceilings have pine-clad beams and tongue-and-groove accents, and the focal point, an exquisite 3-sided ledge rock wood-burning fireplace, the perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment. From the dining room, walk out to the massive, maintenance-free composite deck with subtle lighting, Arctic Spa hot tub, a choice of lounge areas, and the very popular fire pit adds warmth and drama to the yard in the evening. This spectacular home is located on a quiet, secluded dead-end road. It sits on 51 acres of rolling hills, mostly cleared, with some hardwood bush and maple trees ready for tapping. The trails are abundant and perfect for any type of lifestyle activity. To the north, the lands border 100 acres of protected Crown land, and to the east is easy access to the Bruce Trail. Towards the back of the property, you can view Old Baldy, a Beaver Valley landmark. Back inside, the Gourmet Chef's Kitchen has stylish quartz counters with slate staggered tile backsplash. Top-of-the-line appliances, and not to be overlooked, the spectacular high-end Chef's Kitchen range hood. All the cabinets are custom-made, and the breakfast island is double width with comfortable seating for 4, and there's plenty of storage with additional cabinets on both sides of the island. Just off the kitchen is the mudroom with plenty of space to unload your gear. Enter through the man door or from the oversized double garage. Laundry facilities and storage are located in the double closet. Passing by the main entrance, the ledge rock wall towers like a piece of art. Farther down the hall are 2 bedrooms, both having access to the 4-piece bathroom with Carrera marble tile and a restoration hardware vanity with granite top. Let's go up to the second level. Here we have what I like to call the master suite. It encompasses a large loft overlooking the main living space below. There are many possible uses, but it makes a cozy private sitting room being just down the way from the master bedroom. Here we have lots of space with east-facing deck overlooking the scenery. In addition, there's a 3-piece ensuite with heated floors and vanity with granite countertop. Let's go down to the lower level. Starting in the media room, bust out the popcorn and your favorite action flick and get ready for that movie theater experience with a surround sound system. The adjoining room has endless possibilities. For the little ones, the floor-to-ceiling chalkboard can stimulate the imagination. For the older ones, a great rough and tumble room. The 4th bedroom is one of my favorite rooms. It has 5 built-in beds, 4 singles and a queen. They all have their own individual reading lights so not to bother others. Such a clever design and great use of space. Attached is the gorgeous 3-piece bath with accent ledge rock shower wall. Thanks for taking the tour with us today. Whether you imagine yourself trailblazing on your ATV or something more tranquil like a hike or a snowshoe, you'll never tire of the ever-changing scenery and the fresh air that only the country has to offer. Imagine the moments to come with family and friends on this very special property. For a personal tour, call me, Gail Crawford, 705-445-5454. Until next time.